Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday to you. It is Monday, the 13th of September. So happy Monday, and I'll give everybody a minute here to get on. Hope everybody. And I and Courtney did the Food and Wine Fest in Rhinebeck Saturday and Sunday. So we were there all day. Talking about our Your Car, Our Driver business. Marcus did 2 demos. We tasted a lot of New York State wines, some of the wineries that we haven't been to before up in the Finger Lakes that we've always wanted to taste. So we tasted a bunch of wines from the Finger Lakes, from New York State, all over. It was a really good festival, and it was really busy, and a lot of the wineries ran out of wine. They were running out of wine early. There were less vendors, so less wineries, distilleries, which meant that the ones that were there were busier than they normally are. So one of the wineries that we go to, Vice, ended up getting 24 more cases on Sunday, and I think they almost sold out. So I know that all the local wineries were able to bring more wine from their wineries for Sunday. The ones that were further away obviously didn't have those choices to come to get more wine. So, but the festival itself was awesome. Check it out. It's always the weekend after Labor Day, and it is in Rhinebeck. So check it out. It's an awesome festival. Great wines, great people. It was really fun. They do all food trucks outside, so it was really cool. Thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Matthew, hello Thomas, hello Craig. Hello everybody. Thank you for tuning in. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'm going to be making something today called Texas, what did I call it? Texas White Peach Sangria. I found this recipe. I'm actually going to make my own recipe, but I found the ingredients for the recipe, and now I'm going to mix it the way that I think it should be mixed. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. You know, sangria is one of those things that you can make at home. You can put anything in it that you want. It's up to you. You make it fun. You make it interesting, and that's the fun part about making drinks at home. But if you want drinks, you can always come here to Aroma Time, and we make awesome drinks here. Our bar, as you can see behind me, is loaded with awesome independent spirits, and we'd love to make you a drink here at Aroma Time. But before I get to my drink, our $9.99 special this week is our burgers. So $9.99, you can have either the chickpea burger, which is vegetarian, or any of our 3 burgers. We have a bacon and cheddar, blue cheese and roasted tomato, and a forager burger with bacon and apple. So those are available for $9.99 to go this week. Our regular menu is available as well, and so you can take any of that out. We are open in person out in our garden this evening. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Thursday, as long as there's no rain and it's warm or nice out, we'll be sitting in our garden area. We do have some heaters out there. We do have jazz this Thursday, as long as it's not raining, so that'll be outside. I am not sure if I went live or not. I have not gotten the notification yet. For some reason, the notifications have not been coming on my phone until after the videos are over. So I am live. Perfect. So hello, Susan. We'll see you in a little bit. Hello, Matt. We'll see you in a little bit. We have our wine dinner tonight. So tonight we are doing, what did we call the wine dinner, Marcus?
Basically they're wines that aren't on our list.
Wines that are not on our wine list. So we are going to be pulling out a few fun wines for you to taste. So that'll be fun. We might have 1, maybe 2 spots available. So if you're watching and you want to come, it's $29 a person for wines and a dish for $29. It starts at 6:30. Please call and make reservations, and we'll get you in. And make sure you make reservations for outside, because we do get quite busy. And that's it. All right, so these are the ingredients you need. I actually need some lemon juice. So we're gonna put, I'm gonna make sangria in here. I might make a little bit too much, so then I have a little bit extra. I'm gonna add about 5 squirts. I'm only really making like 1, maybe 2, but you can make a big batch of sangria, put it in your fridge for later. I am going to add some fresh jalapenos. So it's gonna be a spicy sangria. Let's see, a little bit of agave. You could add sugar to it as well. We're gonna add a little bit of peach merlette. So peach liqueur, about an ounce, peach liqueur. You're gonna add about an ounce of elderflower liqueur. And we're going to add about 2 ounces of LIV vodka, just from Long Island. And we're going to top it off with a little bit of Bazz Romano, which is our Pinot Grigio style. So let's go ahead and mix this on up and let's see what it tastes like. You can make as much as you'd like. You can fill it up, put it in the fridge, let it soak. Obviously the jalapenos, the more it sits, the more spicy it's gonna get. Very nice. I'm gonna add a little bit more Pinot Grigio, a drop more of the merlette. We're gonna mix that on up. And I would say let it sit. The more you let it sit, the more the jalapenos are gonna come out. You could add anything to this. You could add brandy, you could add triple sec. Oh yeah, that is really nice. The spiciness from the jalapenos come out in there. Thanks everybody for watching me, I appreciate it. So I'm gonna pour my sangria. You can add fruit to it if you wanna add fruit. And I'm going to put ice in my glass. And I'm gonna pour this delicious peach sangria into my glass. Texas white peach sangria. Let's taste it. That peach comes out in there. It's delicious. Awesome. So we are open tonight. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and then we're open Thursday through Monday. And our $9.99 special this week are burgers. So any of our burgers, including our veggie burger, for $9.99 to go. And that is it. So I hope everybody has an awesome day. Hopefully I'll be live tomorrow. I'm around all week. Sorry I missed everybody last week. We went to some awesome wineries up in the Finger Lakes when we were up there. We went to a new distillery. And we found some really cool, interesting liqueurs from New York. And let's see, what else? That is it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers, and I will catch you all tomorrow.